Okay guys, there's a sneak preview of the larger strimmer. So now we're going to work on the GPU one. And this one's also wireless, so this will work with the adapter. It'll all work off of this, which is really cool. So this one is pre-installed a certain way, okay, for your GPU, right? 600 watts, it's amazing. It's got the blue coloring so you know you plugged it in correctly. But its default orientation is not going to line up with my GPU, because that's supposed to be on the that top part is supposed to be on the bottom, right? It's supposed to be flipped. So the cool thing that Lian allows you to do is to use the included screwdriver, unscrew this bracket here, and I believe you take this bracket off and you flip the wire, and then clamp it back down, and then screw this back down, so it's in reverse. You know, so you flip it around like that. So then they also give you some white brackets if you have a white build, and yeah, that's what I'll be working on right now, is flipping it around. Yeah, okay. So yeah, very cool. So I'm gonna do that now, so I'll be able to flushly, bam, right there in the 5090. It's gonna be amazing. All right, guys, see you a little bit. All right, guys, just got done flipping it. So now you can see that the larger part is at the bottom, right? So that way, when I plug it in, it's in perfect alignment. There. It's a little bit tough to flip this. This one is pretty stiff to reverse it, but it'll slowly bend its way back to normal. It's just a small gap, and that should close with pressure put on it. But yeah, just make sure all the wires are tucked back in after flipping it, and it looks good. Okay, so that's done. All the tools are perfect. It worked out great. Instruction manual is real nice. All right, so everything is set. We're just waiting on Amazon to deliver the 3 fans so I can swap these out, along with adding the wireless adapter, and then installing the GPU with the strimmer, and then that's pretty much it. Then I'm gonna, do some wire maintenance back here to be able to close the door, because this thing sticking out is going to put a lot of pressure on that door to close, and I don't think it's going to want to close, so that's going to be something to think about. Other than that, so far so good, guys. Can't wait to turn this on and see this. Oh man, it's gonna be exciting. Okay, after all day waiting for Amazon to get here, we finally finished. So here is the final build. Sorry about the reflection, guys. Yeah, okay. So we got the strimmer there, right? The large one for the motherboard. We got the strimmer here for the 5090. Beautiful. We got the new fans with the reverse blades, so you can see the pretty top now. And those are infinity little mirrors there. We got the rear one hooked in there. And yeah, then of course we got the push-pull AIO with the 6-fan Corsair build right there. And I think that's it. So, oh, and the new, you can't even see it. It's the new, it's the heatsink for the M2. Dang, where is it? Never mind. All right, anyway, let's turn it on for the first time. Corsair D, or Corsair 5000D Airflow, the RAF Cave Gaming PC. Here we go. 1 and 3, 2, 1. Oh, holy. And there they go. There you go. There you go. Whoo. Yo. Everything's working. M2 at the bottom there. Fans are spinning. Oh my. And the strimmers. Now the strimmers aren't doing anything now because I have not hooked up the software yet. You have to download the software, and then it'll activate the that adapter, and then the adapter tells the Strimers what to do wirelessly. And the power plug there for the 5090 is in all the way. No blue is showing. Made sure it's nice and flush. And yeah, cool fans on the bottom. Oh, look at that infinity. It's like a little hole down there. It's awesome. Sweet. And then the GPU fans just turned off. Because, like, they don't need to spin. 5090's not doing nothing. Yeah, it looks really cool. I like the little slim line there for the fan. That looks nice. This looks so much better not seeing the back. Oh, cool. You can see the Strimmer behind the case going down there. Yeah, that's amazing, man. Hell yeah, we got the sag bracket in the back. We got the horizontal sag bracket underneath. Got all the RGB going. Behind the motherboard, top fans are going, front's good. Of course, looking sweet. Look at that. Yep. Exhaust. Push-pull design of exhaust. Up and out. I do want to make sure that these are actually intake. Right? Because we want the balance of intake here, intake, exhaust, and exhaust from the GPU. 6 and 6. A total of 15 fans. It's 15, right? 15. Yeah, 15 fans in the Raft Cave Gaming PC. 5090. Amazing. Can't wait to get the Strimers going. That's going to look even better. But guys, if you want to see this amazing 5090 Extreme Water Force gigabyte card, just check out all my live streams. All my gaming live streams is where I do any chance I get, especially now with this incredible PC that I created and built. It is just amazing. So yeah, definitely going to download the software, activate that, and get these lights going with the rest of the build. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching this final build transition of the Raft Cave Gaming PC. Appreciate it, guys. Hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. Comment below if you have any questions on what pieces they are in here, and if you want to get them. Hell yeah, that's awesome. Both M2s have the infinity mirror to go along with the mirrors here. That's so cool. Man, I love this computer. And then you see that white light there. That's the VGA. There's no TV connected, so. Oh, I love it. I love my computer. Love it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe. See you in the next one. Home Theater Rules, Gaming Rules, PC Master Race. Wrath out. See ya.